Hey, Edgar's from Funneltopia here. I want to quickly show you how to set up a recurring payment option for your product on Funneltopia. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to Payments, Products, over here, Products, and then let's just create a new product, for example. And over here, you enter the product name, obviously description, the image for, what it looks like, all that. Additional options, that's not as important. So over here, you can set it to one time or you can set it to recurring. So obviously one time, that's the classic, let's say one payment of 97, right? So recurring, here you put the, not the total amount. Let's say the product is 3 payments of 397, right? Instead of putting the 1200 or close to that, instead of putting that price here, you actually put 397 and it's going to be, here you pick whether it's monthly, weekly, whatever. So let's say it's 3 monthly payments of, over here, number of payments, three monthly payments of 397, right? You can do the same thing for, let's say it's, I don't know, 12 weekly payments of 97. It's similar. It's almost the same, but yeah, it's same 1200 over 3 months. So you can do it in different ways. Obviously you can do yearly, and there's you can see several options here. Daily, not quite sure in real life. Can't think of an example now where daily might be a thing. But yeah, the most common ones are either weekly or monthly. That's really the most common one. So this is pretty good for if you have a higher ticket product, and this can be just like either as a second option, or it can be a downsell option for an upsell that people didn't buy. Let's say it was $297, people didn't buy, so you can offer 3 payments of 109, right? It needs to be, the 3 payments combined needs to be a little bit more than if they do 1 payment, just to kind of incentivize to do the 1 payment. But yeah, pretty simple. Just remember, these are the payments. It's not the total amount, right? So just so you don't get mix those two things up. And over here, number of payments and the frequency. And over here, I guess, yeah, like the last thing is you can connect it to a membership if it's like a specific course, right? But if not, then we're all good. We can click save, and that's pretty short and sweet. If you have any questions, 24/7 chat support over here, just let us know. We'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. But if you don't have any questions, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.